Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode. Today I'll be giving you my 5 reasons why it's actually nice to breed with quails. Why is it good to have quails? All the benefits of quails. This is my opinion, so opinions might differ from person to person, but yeah. So let's get into this. Okay, number one, incubation. Incubation is very easy with these quails. They take up to 17 to 18 days to incubate, so it's quick turnaround time with incubation. You don't have to do much, especially if you've got an automatic incubator. Just pop the eggs in, they turn automatically. You just got to watch out for the water, just keep the humidity up, but very easy to incubate. So that's reason number one. Two would be space. These birds only need 1 square foot of space per bird compared to a chicken or that. So the space, you could have it in urban areas, on farmlands, doesn't matter. You don't have to also have it because they are very quiet birds. Of course, if you're going to have a lot of cocks all in one place, they're going to make a noise, but yeah, they're very quiet birds, so your neighbors aren't going to complain if you do have a couple of them at the back. So space is very important. The next thing would be egg production. Eggs, they can give up to 300 eggs per year. That's per bird. So if you have 3 females, for example, you would get 900 eggs a year roughly. So quick turnaround time with the eggs. Next one I would say would be butchering. So if you're actually producing quails for yourself to butcher, to keep in your deep freezer, that 8 weeks from the time they are born to the time you can butcher is 8 weeks. It's very quick. Chop chop. They don't eat a lot as well, so you're going to save a lot of money on feed and all of that. So especially the time it takes, 8 weeks before butcher, not bad. The meat is also very high in protein. It's also not a lot of fat in it, so it's very healthy for you compared to your domestic animals, especially where it's high production. They use a lot of antibiotics and all of these medicines to actually keep them from getting sick and diseases and that. Where if you breeding your own quails for meat, you know exactly what's going into them, how they're bred, how they're kept, so you know once you eat in that bird, you know it's either going to be healthy for you or not. So also quails are very hardy birds. You don't need to vaccinate them and give them medicine like you do with your chickens and that. So they pretty hardy if you just keep their cages clean, their water dishes, their food dishes, just give them a nice clean once a week. You should be fine. Should keep all the bacteria away in that, but very hardy birds, so no need for that. And coming to the fifth one now, I would say the most important reason why to keep quails is the time they actually fully grown. It's half the amount, where especially just incubation time, if you take it, it's 18 days, where chicken sits at 29 days, so it's already 10 days shorter there. Then they fully grown basically from 6 weeks old, where a chicken will take 4 months basically, so give or take. So yeah, your production line will start a lot quicker, and then also the amount of food a quail eats compared to a chicken, you can feed roughly around about three quails a day on the same amount of food you could feed a chicken. So that's also an important thing to have or keep in mind. Also, like I mentioned, the egg production. Quails will start giving you eggs in 6 weeks' time from birth, from hatching, where chickens, they will still need to mature for another 4 months to 6 months before they actually start laying their first egg. So, yeah, keep that in mind. But yeah, those are the 5 reasons I would say keeping the quails. But, I probably would do one of the top 5. But yeah, but keep in mind, please subscribe, hit that bell so you could listen out for any new videos that come up about quails. And yeah, if you got any comments, just comment below. Let me know what you think. Maybe you know something different I don't know. We can help each other out. But yeah, thanks for watching.